Hindi nyo sagutin to kasi ayaw naman natin mapahamak yung mga bata at we're always after the best interest of your children. Kung merong tinutuluyan sila ngayon dahil di sila makita ng DSWD, ayaw natin silang mapahamak. Gusto pa natin silang matulungan din at mapunta sila sa mabuting kondisyon. So, kung yun ang inaalala ni attorney at meron ka namang alam na pinaglipatan sila na kumupkup sa kanila ngayon, kung ano may tutulong ng DSWD at Commission on Human Rights, hindi po natin naharangin yan. Bagkos, gusto pa natin silang matulungan, magpatuloy ang kanilang pag-aaral at mapalagay sila sa mabuting kondisyon habang kayo ay nasa pigitan.
Mr. Chair, and besides, if I may interject, Mr. Chair, yung anak ni Franz, yung nagtistigo in executive session, nasa tamang edad na, 18 anyos, alright? At nakatira sa dorm. So, she's already independent. Nakatira sa meron kaya apartment, sariling apartment yata, di ba? Nangungupahan.
Umalis na ba o nandun pa? Kasi may report sa akin ditong wala na.
The older child, Your Honor, is living in the same apartment in Batangas. However, since the time that the issue broke out, there was no more available housing.
Who is she living with?
At present, Your Honor, she is accompanying Mr. Ruiz in coming to the Senate,
No,
Your Honor.
sinong kasama nung anak niya ron sa Batangas?
From the time that Mrs. Ruiz was detained, they were both in the custody of the father. So they were following him from Batangas, going back to Pasay and to Batangas again, Your Honor.
Yung kapatid ni Franz?
The sister, Your Honor, is left in Mindoro, Occidental, Your Honor.
To take care of the business.
To take care both of
Or maybe
her,
we can
her household.
we can ask Mrs. Franz to talk to her sister to take care of her children.
Yung isa pa, meron pa isang bata?
Mr. Chair, dalawa po yung anak ko. Sila lang po dito. Kasama nga ni Mr. ngayon nandyan. Kung saan si Mr. dala-dala niya.
Panggitin kasi
Opo.
dapat maprotektahan natin
Opo.
yung mga bata.
Kasi wala po silang kasama.
But the committee, as intimated by Senator Estrada, will provide extra space for the children if they so desire. If the parents would also desire to have the children with them in the premises of the Senate. But again, DSWD, Commission on Human Rights, I think you should both coordinate on how to protect the best interests of the child, how to ensure that they continue with their studies, how to ensure that they have the same allowances received before, and how they should be prevented from being quote-unquote bullied likewise because of the presence of social media. Hindi po natin gustong sirain yung pag-aaral ng mga anak nyo. Napakalayo po sa isipan ng kumiting yan. Gusto pa namin maprotektahan yung inyong mga anak. Kaya pinapahintulutan namin po sila na kung gusto nyo makapiling dito sa premises ng Senado, ay yun po ay pahihintulutan. Senator Estrada?
Malaya silang bumisita sa inyo araw-araw, gabi-gabi, minuto. Kung gusto nila matulog dyan sa Senado, sa inyong piitan, we will not question it. That's enough.
We will submit, Your Honor, and we will coordinate with the CHR regarding the welfare of the children. Although, for the record, we will not be bringing the children to the detention facility since the same may have certain effects, Your Honor, with respect to...
May I get opinion of the human rights? Is that acceptable?
Opo, yes.
Yung pagbisita. Kasi meron, hindi naman natin tinatanggal yung visitation rights ng immediate family, especially the minor children. No, okay naman na matulog sila kung gugustuhin ng mga bata
Yes,
sa
Yes, Your Honor.
kahit meron separate room.
I think there is a separate room para hindi maluwag-luwag naman.
May,
Sa akin, to that.
meron bang
General,
separate room yung
may isang kwarto para sa
mga bata just in
na
case
hindi
gusto
naman sila
matulog?
nakapiit na may tutulugan lang sila.
May kama or whatever, ha?
So may kwarto naman na hindi kailangan kasama sila, yung pwede silang they're not considered as detainees. They're considered as visitors.
Kaya papayagan namin yun. Buti nga, kaya may aircon pa, kami wala eh.
The arrangement, Your Honor, that we have in mind would have to be in Batangas so that the children could continue with their school, Your Honor. So going to Pasay would be difficult, Your Honor, since...
Will the DSWD supervise the children to ensure that they go to school? Hindi naman yung maglakwat siya na lang o mapabayaan. As secondary parents, DSWD, can you act as loco parenti?
Your Honor, it was turned over already to CSWDO. Yung dalawa pong bata, at saka yung pong case ni Nanay LV. So,
CSWDO is here.
yes po.
So, can you take cudgels for the children?
Hello po, good morning po. Yes po, Your Honor. We already conducted po ng school visitation
Yung
last...
school, hindi ibig sabihin ito, pasyalan doon kung saan sila nakatira, siguraduhin pumapasok sila, mapangalagaan din yung kanilang pangangailangan.
Yes po.
Maayos ba yung pananamit nila? Kumakain ba sila? Nag-aaral ba sila? Gumagawa ba ng assignment? Mapasok ba sa school? Hindi lang yung visitation sa school. Kasi visitation sa school, with all due respect, principal lang yung kausap nyo. Kailangan kausap na rito yung bata.
Apo, yes po. Ang problem lang po, Your Honor, upon home visitation po sa boarding house po nung anak ni Franz, according po dun sa caretaker ay last August 2023 ay wala na daw po dun yung bata. Kaya hindi rin po namin alam, Your Honor, kung presently nasan po yung bata.
Siguro, Counsel, pwede mong malaman yon at mamaya mag-usap ang DSWD, attorney, at saka si Human Rights para mapangalagaan yung bata. Saan ba talaga ngayon baka natatakot, nagtatago, o nasa ibang kamag-anak? Di ba? So, siguro makakatulong. Huwag mo na sabihin dito na naka-broadcast sa lahat para parang executive session kayo ng DSWD, Human Rights, at ikaw bilang kinatawan ng mag-asawa para masigurado natin na nasa magandang kondisyon yung dalawang bata. At again, kahit nag-aaral sila, yung Saturday and Sunday, pwedeng nandito sa Senado para makasama yung kanilang mga magulang. Hindi natin nahadlangan yon. And we encourage that. We will encourage that. Can we do that? Attorney, huwag mo nang banggitin kung nasaan sila ngayon at baka hindi maganda at malaman ng nakakarami.
We submit, Your Honor.
And can this be done? Can this be explained, DSWD, to the children who are here? We'll provide a separate room for you. Do a post-hearing counseling. Right now, today, kausapin niyo yung mga bata. Ito yung kinalalagyan ngayon. Ito yung haharapin. At hindi naman kayo kasama rito. At bagkos kayo ay tutulungan pa. Can that be done?
Yes po, Your
In the
Honor.
presence of the human rights, in the presence of the parents as well. Although baka medyo emotional yan, alam niyo na siguro yung anong gagawin to. May training naman kayo dyan. Senator Estrada?
Wala na po, Mr. Chair.
So, we heard the council seeking another reconsideration with
I object, Mr. Chair.
the objection coming from Senator Estrada, but again, with the best interests of the child in mind, this committee hereby denies the same. Without objection on the part of my colleagues here, the Committee on Justice and Human Rights, fourth public hearing on the motu proprio inquiry to the severe battery and maltreatment of Kasambahay Ms. L.B. Vergara is hereby adjourned. Thank you.